You know what's really... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. I'm gonna get you. Fine. I accept my fate. And dead. Sooty's revenge. My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. Um... What the... I don't want to be probed without giving consent. "14 hours in, and this is what I've accomplished." Yeah. Ah, help me. Oh. This is your nightmare. ID 10T. Yes. Dun dun dun. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Man on the moon. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch. Watch. Watch him. Watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. If this doesn't work, I'll go fuck myself with a rusty spoon. Let's clear out this cache here. To get a clip of myself here, or if anybody else wants to get it, I want to show off where I'm at with this. And I'm curious, for this to be a functional game, we're almost there, right? We are almost there. I just need to create the enemies. We have the base stuff. We just need to create like what the variations are going to be. And then this is what I love about StreamerBot. Why didn't I pitch a tent? Oh boy, where am I going to poop? I don't see any pooping holes. Uh-oh, what happened? Boom. He got you. You're dead. Game over. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. Oh, Daddy. God damn it. Like you're talking with Captain. Let me see if I could do my Captain impression. I am not the captain, but my eyebrows also move in a way like the captain.
Thanks, JD, folks. Be sure to give JD some love.
Yeah, let's recharge it. Go take a look at our billboard. It fires out. That means a bear is somewhere near. I think we're going to change flashlight to F and E to use. Whoa, whoa. Yes. Hello, good morning. I got a bad window. What is up? How's everybody doing today? Oh, T, welcome back. It's been a while. Good to see you. The right one? That's the right one. Yeah. Right. All right. Mah. So, how is everybody doing today? We're back to a swinging game. LT, how you been? How you been? Ooh, I gotta update some stuffs. Been all right. All things considered, been having some mental health issues that I had to take care of for myself. Uh, also had a bit of an injury. Shrink this down. Um, I appreciate that. It's just it happens. It's who I am, and it does happen occasionally. So sometimes I just need to step back and take care of brain. So just there we go. Got that. Follower. We got to change that amount to the right amount. Go. It's a wave. It has ups and downs, all that stuff. But
we move on. We keep getting better. Don't let it destroy me. And yeah, something like that. So I had an idea. I had a big idea. Big idea. I was on the toilet and I was thinking, how can I make the levels easier to design in this game? And well, here's what I was thinking. Hold on. Something I need to do first. I am such a slob. Y'all, there's a reason that I don't show my desk. It's supposed to go like this. Reason is because I'm slob. We still ow. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do what I'm hoping to do. We might just switch over to playing some game. Um, just depending on if and how my thumb hurts feels. But okay, here's what I was thinking. Right now I have it so that I have to have a roof over everything, right? And then a platform to fall down on underneath that roof, and every single platform needs to jump up or point up. So when character here pops up here, slides up there, and then goes up to roof. Then when we hit the roof, then we fall back down. So let's just do this, and boom. But what if LT? I'm so glad you asked. It is a rage-inducing Fadian type game. At least that's how I'm describing it. But ultimately it's Jump King in reverse. Are you familiar with Jump King? I'll just show it off. This is the early version. All right, so what you do is you swing. You got to grapple your way and use physics to try and jump. But if you jumped, ooh, that was a good hit. Go down a little bit here. But if you fall too far, here, and we're gonna fall right here. If you fall too far, then you get sent back up. But you see everything points back to the top. Nope. So, Gamian, welcome in. So what I was thinking though is because right now the way that I have it, any reset point has to have a top. You know, like right here, it has to have this part to stop the character, and we need the things to direct the character all the way to that point. So every bottom has to be angled to redirect. But that limits me because now any place that I want to set a reset point has to have a roof above it. But what if we make the wind smarter, and we have areas like this one-way collision platform here that when the character goes through a one-way collision, then the wind knows to stop and it'll be a reset there. So if the character either hits a roof or goes through one of these, so the character can either hit the roof and then go back down, Or using these as an example, character can, oh, up here, and then there is a timer or something here. It says when you get above here, and then the character just drops back down onto it. I think that might be a little bit easier for the game design. Because right now I'm having troubles with levels. Oh, what the hell? And trying to... David Loki-san, welcome in. Welcome in. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Well, it's a Stony. A wild Stony appears. If you want to see somebody working on a custom bot and a Plex killer, you need to go hang out with Stony and make fun of Stony like nonstop. Never stop laughing. Just be like, Stony, what you doing? Oh, you're doing that wrong. You're definitely doing that wrong. Oh, even worse. You're doing that even the worstest. I'm so mean by shouting you out and spouting truth. All right, so let me know if my voice is like getting too loud or if I need to like adjust the levels or something, because I've been playing with my mic, my sound a bit, and it seems like now it's redlining. But so if I do it the way that I'm thinking and have like the one-way platforms be reset points as well, then that opens up so that I can have a lot more open space. But I do need to ensure that we redirect to the platform. All right, so let's see if we can do this. By deciding how a one-way platform is going to be. All right, so we got platform here. And I was doing this with the level shapes. Did I still have this in level shapes? Yeah, no, I didn't. Preparing to race? What kind of race? Oh, nice. Like video game Gran Turismo, or are you actually a driver and this is just new stuff that we're learning about you? All right, now Ah, okay. You know, I should. No, no. Refactoring will come later. Refactoring will come later, just like me. Um. Uh. But I do want to rewrite this as better state machine. But. But. Um. Okay. Global is that, and then reset. Yeah, reverse gravity. How? That is on ceiling. Nice, nice drop, nice drop. Falling. Hmm. Yeah, this is why I need to. This is why I need to refactor. Ooh, nice drop, David. Nice, nice drop. Um. Wow, I don't know what the hell I've done. Oh, so this is a shitty state machine. Um, but ow. Not its grapple is falling. Handle plus grapple falling. Then handle falling. Okay, global's getting blown. Emit. Maybe it's in process. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Okay, so I think what I need to do here is um can I right, so there's no direct collision there. I mean, we've got a collision shape here, but if ceiling detect it's in topcast. So David, yes, your FILDI is strong. Use it. Sometimes if your FILDI is weak, then you need to just wait until you get that as Zay Frank says, that cheese ball of motivation. And now that you have it, you destroy it. Oh, okay, ceiling detect array, topcast. What we doing here? Yeah, Stony, I only have one. I think maybe we'll start doing customized lurk messages for subs and VIPs. I think maybe. All right, so get free and get no. Am I not doing anything with it? I've got to be doing something with that. No, I'm doing that. That's useless. That's not a bad idea. That is not a bad idea. I'm doing all my. I'm sure you know this, but I'm doing all my stream stuff in a combination between StreamerBot and Godot. At least I'm trying to. God, okay, so I am idiot here, and I don't remember how I did things. Do I have anything here? Getting blown, getting done. I think that I would just, because I'm lazy, I just have everything they. Because it would be difficult to assume unless people have their own pronouns like set up, which not everybody does. That's grapple. Is it the grapple? No, that's a grapple point. I don't like my past self right now at all. That is on ceiling. If not as grappled, is falling has grappled. Not on floor. Um, Ceiling detect is colliding. Okay, okay. Tony, that's fair. That's fair. I understand some people don't. My goal is to be as neutral as possible until somebody tells me that they prefer otherwise. And now that I know yours, but um yeah, it's one of the things that I don't use the word guys to refer to everybody. I make a conscious effort. And this isn't me like standing on my soapbox saying, "Hey, look how woke and good I am." No, it's just I grew up in an Indiana town, much like Danny, California. Apparently, I'm not using Franker Faces Easy. That's something that I should probably do. Huh. That doesn't seem to be on the OBS thingy. Well, now I got to get that extension. Is it something that adding extension? Okay. So we're looking at this chat settings. I see better TTD, but I don't see. Oh. Do. Viewer cards. Yeah, I don't know anything about Franker phases. This is um. So yeah, if you can help me to do a better job of being a good person, I would appreciate that. Discord. Import. The hell did it dial? There we go. Nope, not there. Open. Which one? Moderation or default? I just had it. I just had it. Oh, there it is. Nice, nice. Now I wonder, can I pull that data from through StreamerBot? We'll see. We'll see. Thank you for that. Thank you. Oh, it does look different. It's a nice preview of the link. Cool. Thank you for that. Okay, if ceiling... All right. I think I figured out. Yay! Much appreciated. Okay, so all right, I've got if ceiling detect is colliding. Honestly, I haven't written Godot code in a while. Are detected. It's get collider, right? Can I get all colliders? Ooh, I don't know if this is going to work because it's a one-way collision. So let's test this out. We're gonna test it out. I know how we're gonna test it out. Okay. Oh, ceiling detect, inspector, collision mask there. Collide with areas or bodies. Well, if it's an area and I don't have any kind of physics stuff happening, let's look at this. And we're going to get rid of this static body here. Because I just want to test. I want to test this. Right? Actually, here would be a better place. There is good. Platform 2. Um, God, I don't remember everything that I did here. Collision mask, there we go. Two, we've got collision mask and layer there. In shape. Put it there. So it's an area. Hey, Fallen, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. I am doing well, and I'm just glad you're here. No need to be sorry at all. Ooh, what the hell? Van the man, welcome man, good to see you. Um, Van, it is going all right. I'm. Oh, there we are. There we are. I'm having ideas. I'm having ideas. We're gonna try them out here. So what I was thinking is, right now I'm kind of limited, right? Because everything, and if my voice is coming through, if I'm like clipping out or you know the sound is getting too loud, let me know. I've been adjusting shit like that. But so here's how I've kind of been looking at it. No, let's go back to the other. Wrong one. This one. Let's go here. And I'm going to hide all the points here. Right. So looking at this, right now, everything needs to lead back to, basically needs to lead back to a ceiling or something above. So if we go back to this like new version, for the funnel here to work, I have to have this. I don't like that. So what I'm thinking is that instead of that, we're going to try to make it so that if you go through one of these one-way platforms, then a timer, like a half second or less, like 0.2 seconds, goes off, and then we stop the blowing. I think that might work, and that's going to make things easier on the level design, because for one, I suck at level design, and I'm putting so many constraints on myself here by making it have to be like this. So what I've got is an area 2D collision shape here. And I've got it named one way for now, but we can change that. We can change that. Back to the test character, get collider. And then on our ceiling ones, let's go back here to the 2D. What's this? This is collision shape 2D. Then we're going to add a name ceiling reset. Let's make it a global. We'll just call it ceiling reset. And then we need to go back to the character, and we need to make sure that ceiling detect here. Topcast. Okay, make sure ceiling detect here is there. Collide with areas as well. Okay, so we got that. Save. I don't want to undo or lose work here. Just gonna save all the shit. All right, and go back to the character. Look at the script. If what is it? Has group. Ceiling detect is get collider. What does this return? This returns an object. Actually, Vidya, what is up? What's the deal? It'd be a node 2D of some sort. If is in group. There we go. Is in group. I am not jamming. I am actually just working on game. And trying to make things a little bit easier for me. Because I like it's not your fault. I haven't been streaming too much for a while. So earlier this month, last month, because it's August now. Earlier in July, I went to, well, earliest in July, I had a bit of a mental health problem. Then I ended up going on a trip to Asheville. Then I came back for a bit. Then I got frustrated and got really busy. And then this week I ended up getting injured, so my thumb is not like 100% yet, but it's good enough I can press the space bar now. Which was the big problem. Node. Asheville's the worst. I loved it there. I got to it wasn't fully off-road, but I got to take some I got some good Jeep time. Taking some of the fire roads up the mountains down there. It was so much fun. Stopping every couple miles. Taking some pictures, just enjoying the view and the fresh air. Oh no, I'm in Indiana, where we don't have mountains. All right, wait. I'm. Wow, do I have two Kofi alerts coming up? I apologize for that. That shouldn't happen. I'm not going to take care of it right now, but I am having a brain fart of how to create timer. How to create just a one-shot timer. Timer. There it is. Oh wait, get tree create timer. Okay, global's blown down. Emit. Now, let's go to level 2A here, 2D. Let's just see. Let's just see. I don't think it's going to work that easy. Boom, boom, down. Fallen, thank you. It's just the way things go sometimes, you know? How can I test this? I know how I can test it. I know how I can test it. Get that. No, no. That should work. And then test character. Node here. All right, let's see. Let's see. Why did he just go right through there? Oh. So Fallen, I used to actually like for a while, I was kind of known as the mental health guy in the Drupal community because I was one of the there we go. I was one of the first to openly talk about it, and most of my presentations were on whoa, that what? Oh, uh-oh. Bye-bye. my first few presentations were all on sorry, I'm troubled here by what just happened. We're all on like telling my story about mental illness and how I dealt with things, for better or worse. Um, and it really opened up the talk or the conversation. It's a group that I volunteer with called OSME, Open Sourcing Mental Illness. Um, okay, let's see what happened there. Okay, there's our collision shape. There's our collision shape. Okay. On there. Let's just run it as a and get the breakpoint and see if the breakpoint actually like triggers here. Boom, down, up. Well, and thank you. I appreciate that. All the text shape. Um, okay, we fall down. Fall down. Boom. Okay. Oh. Hold on a second here. Gonna move this over so we can keep an eye on things. And are we just... Oh. Goodbye. What happens? What happens? Because when it hits a ceiling... See, we're not getting the ceiling. Is that... Do I not have the ceiling part? No, I've got the ceiling there. Oh, I don't have a ceiling reset there. Okay, we've got that. Now, okay, so I'm doing it the right way, right? Oh no. Because it's in the physics process, so it's gonna just keep going, right? We can't have this await in the physics process. Right? Somebody correct me if I'm thinking about that wrong. We need it. We need everything like because it's just going to keep going and going and going. Let's comment that really quick. Maybe not there. Okay, doing this should get me back up to the ceiling. Reset here. Krishna, welcome in, Krishna Game Dev. Which type of broadcast channel I'm here right now? My name's JD, and this is just a funnel to my OnlyFans where I do game dev, but topless. I can't back that up. Actually, we got some ads happening here. So I'm going to take a quick break while the ads are going. Krishna, welcome in. I appreciate the follow. I appreciate the first time chat. But I don't quite understand the question. Whoa. But yeah, I'm doing Godot stuffs and working on stuff. But I'm going to take a quick break. I'll be back in a few minutes. Play some words on stream, friends. All right, I'm back. There seems to be a bit of an issue here with the ad run. Gonna hide words, but my ad counter doesn't seem to be. That happens, but okay. This is weird. My ad countdown isn't working. What about chat? Okay, that works. Hold on. Okay. So that's working. I heard that it was turned off. Why did I turn it off? let that finish up. Come on, finish up, finish up. Sorry, this is a bit troubling. Okay, well, the ads aren't really running, surprise. I don't know what's going on there. But I also don't know what's going on here with the code of the script here. So let's yeah. Get back to this and let's just see. Fall down. Fine. There's something that I messed up here. Shouldn't be messed up. There we go. Okay, now that's showing up. All right, great. Okay, select. Well, set up here. We got select. Select you. Okay. Let's go back here, then look at this. I always break everything. Let's see. Everything is broken here. Look at that. Look at that. That's just going weird. Okay. character, select detect, collision mask there. Let's try this layer because I want to make sure that I didn't just like break all the things here. Boom, fall down. Okay, up you go. All right. So my game, Krishna, is an upside down version of Jump King, at least when things work the way that they should, which right now is not the case. Um, a minute. Oh, right on. Unity 2D. I haven't heard, not just because I use Godot, but I haven't heard great things about Unity for 2D, but I could be wrong. You know, maybe things have gotten better. Okay, this. Hmm. Hold on. Okay, it ended up disappearing as expected. Let's just call that good. Now, ceiling detect. And now there's got to be something with the collision shape here. Forget what. You want to learn C sharp? So there are some really good ways to learn C sharp, and also because I'm a Godot. No, you're right. Both engines have their pros and cons. Definitely. Definitely. I mean, Unity's been around for a while, and they have a lot of support, and they have a pretty large market share. Honestly, we could look at my Humble Bundle library, but it would be embarrassing because there's a lot of things I haven't opened yet. But one of the things on there is a Learn Unity course that I picked up in 2023 in September of 2023. And then Godot or Unity did the whole pay per download or download fee thing and really shot themselves in the foot. And it was right about that time where I was really interested in learning game dev. And Humble Bundle was very smart because right at that time too, they had a very good bundle on Learn Godot because Unity just had an issue. Um and so I picked that up, and the deciding factor for me honestly was the whole debacle with Unity starting to charge per download for their devs, and Godot being fully completely open source. Both of them are good. Our friend BitGamey is a Unity developer, and he does some good stuff. He has a wonderful game, and if you ever go over there, ask him about his game Can You Be Toa, and ask him about the Barbie movie, which is he loves it so much. He's got this emote. That's how much he loves it. Um, but the deciding factor for me was, open source and not having that big bit of weirdness. So level 1A here, we've got the collision layer 2, collision mask 1. What's this? What's this?
My belief is honestly that Unity have fucked up so badly over the last couple of years, PR wise, that they are likely not going to fuck up again for a long time. I would fully expect every other engine that's available out there to fuck up before Unity do again. That's my take on it. My belief is honestly that Unity have fucked up so badly over the last couple of years, PR wise, that they are likely not going to fuck up again for a long time. I would fully expect every other engine that's available out there to fuck up before Unity do again. That's my take on it. My belief is honestly.
I need clips. Stony. I need clips. I need to say funny stuff. I need short form content like that. That people gonna watch. Okay, so I've got collision layer 2, collision mask 1. Is that where I done messed up here? I did collision layer 2, collision mask 1. What if I do a double backflip? Okay. If it takes a double backflip for you to clip me. Hold on. There you go. A double backflip. And if I fall. No, still no. What have I done? I've reset the script here. Oh, I wonder if... There's got to be something else happening here. Something else. Let's look at the level here. Level 1. No? I'm so confused what I've done here. How I broke it. Is this shape... This shape should be a ceiling reset. And the character should reset on this. Um... This is so flaky. Um... Because... let me go back to... Here... There's that one. Let's move this thing out of the equation. Thank you, Stony. So let's take a look real quick at the remote. Is falling is still on. Why is falling on? Ground detect here. Okay, is falling false. So it starts off in false. So falling. Reset state. Where am I resetting the state? God, I hate. I'm not seeing floor. That's part of the problem here. They collide with the floor direction and max floor angle used to determine whether the surface is floor or not. Okay, so this is a larger problem, it seems like, with this collision polygon. Um, from where it is, we should be. Should be on floor here. So let me move here. Okay, I've landed on there. So many things are wrong here. Let's play this round or this level. Boom. Drop. Go. Boom. All right, so this level works fine. The frick is the problem with this one then? There. No, I don't want to see that. Or do I? Um, maybe we should just reset it completely. I don't know why all of a sudden unless oh my goodness. Something so stupid. Unbelievably dumb. So dumb. So here's what I'm guessing happened. Yeah. Yep. That's it. Okay. So for those of you playing along at home, oh, that was a big pop. Love it when my fingers go papa. So for those of you playing along at home, the problem was that I didn't have a collision mask set on this. So the way that I have my character determining whether or not there is a floor behind is this big ass shape detect. Right? This thing just tries to detect if there's a shape and if there's ground, if it's on the ground. If there is no shape here underneath, then it won't reset because the shape or the collision needs to happen because it won't it's not going to read that there is a collider beneath to fall back down on. But I got that. We do, sir. So now that that's back, we need to do here see if we can get this now. To cause the character to go through and then come back down without having to touch the top. So for that to happen, we need to make sure that we have the same kind of the hell. What the hell? Tootin' one. Tootin' one. Tootin' one. Tootin' one. Toot. So that's going to give it to connect with that. Now the character here. Oh. The lighter. Hey, Krishna, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate you stopping by and for the follow. Hope you have a great rest of your day, night, afternoon, morning, whatever it might be for you. All right, now that we got that, let's reset here. Oh, this probably isn't gonna. I need to move you. Okay. If I have just enough. Oh no. Oh damn it. Shit. Okay. Falling. Try again. Falling. Perfect. Right now. Go back here. Okay. Oh, no, no, back to the level. Back to the level. 2D on the level. 2D. 2D is fun to say. Body 2. All right. Node. Ceiling reset. Now, okay. Again, I haven't written GD script code in a while. I've been mostly doing like assets and stuff. Kiss my assets. I've been mostly doing like planning. So a lot of stuff has left the brain hole. Because there's only so much room up there. And we want something to happen. We need to make sure that it doesn't happen like 1,000 times. So if we do it in here, physics process, yeah, I'm doing it in here. Want it to do a handle. Okay. Are we using fall timer anywhere? Colin, what do you think? Should I do another timer in here, or should I do a timer in code? I'm going to do it this way. Handle one way. If setting one way equals true. 3 seconds. Loading false. Now there's something checking if should do this here. One way. Um okay, we got that. And then back at you win this time, but son of a bitch. See. Down. Oop. Nope. Okay, didn't do it. Failing detect. I said one-way collider a couple times. Go one way. Okay, we got that. Okay. Right again. Falling, 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 falling. Nope. Right. What? Get 2D. Okay, so gotta be something in the says here. And true. It's floating. It's grappled. Floating state. So many elifs. Falling. Where the hell am I? Okay, we have the reverse with gravity. Please swing. Okay. That is floating. I have no idea what the hell I've done here. Um, Not on ceiling. There we go. Yeah, I get that. Oh, okay. So I think I know maybe where something's coming from. So, and ready. Read through this all the way. Process, process, process. Process. State machine. Okay. Player's floating but not ready for gravity. Handle floating state. Falling. Okay, blown done. Where's blown done? That just turns off the particles. Okay. Way to go, Fallen. Way to go. You show that fool who's boss. I don't know what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about. What? What's so funny about getting blown and blown done? Hmm? What's so funny about Bickus Dickus? What's so funny about Bickus Dickus? There's got to be something here that I'm missing. Collider, if it's in one group, we handle one way. Then ceiling reset, then we do that. And handle one way. We reset one way, we wait. Do I just have the ordering wrong? I think I just have the ordering wrong. Yeah. Oh, you missed. Balloon done is floating. That's what she said. Um, all right, let's try this again here. Oop, gonna have ads in a bit. Thing. Already got, it's falling. Yeah, we've got that. Where's reset state? Is on floor. So that resets all that, but why? Hey, Desist, welcome back. Good to see you. I've been. How about yourself? Yeah. I might have to run this through Claude, Windsurf, or something to find out why. You know what? Let's do that. Why the... It's not... Doing the thing. Yes, I trust the author. I'm the fucking author. Let me select the right executable. Oh, ads are going. I'm gonna take a break then. Ooh, and Stony, you are top clipper with 5 views on the clipper. Per. Turn on words, I'll be back. All right, back. This round finish up. Right. GG desist. GG. All right. Let's see. Let's see. See what I'm missing here. Duplicating code. Okay. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. This is essentially what I have. Oh. Oh, this is basically what I have. Come on. Let's see. Come on. Right. So you do this, you fall down. No, it's still. It may have looked cool, but it's broken. It's not doing what I'm hoping it would do. So the goal is like see if this works before I oh no. No. So the goal here is I just change this. Meditation, Control Shift I. So the goal is before, like, here, let me show the level 1. All right, so the way that it is now, everything needs to filter up to something with a flat ceiling, a flat surface, so that it resets. But I don't want that limitation. So what I'm trying to do is make it so that I can have certain platforms that act as reset points. So when the character goes up and goes through one of these reset points, it doesn't necessarily need to touch a ceiling. It just needs to go through this and then resets. Which I think is going to make things a little bit easier for me to design the levels. Okay, falling, falling, falling. Closer. Closer. Okay, so it goes up a little bit. Slows when it's above the. See here, where? No, let's look at that. Yeah, cool. Oh, that's not what I wanted. There's got to be something that. Hey, congrats on being on the class, though. That's awesome. Where's gravity? Oh, awesome. Super happy for you. Congratulations on that. You're gonna go far, kid. You're gonna go far. Um on floor, print floor. Wait a minute. There is something so weird here. I don't like it needs to reset the state. Handle falling. That's not the right thing to do. One detect is colliding. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can do here. That's kind of what I'm trying to do, but I'm trying to reuse it. So, because right now, as it works, there, it's easier to see on this level. No, it's easier to see on this level, where I've got the actual collision shape here. Static body. Do I have any? I don't have any weird. Specifically, this one, like, let me just make sure I don't have any. Okay, yeah. So when it detects here, then I have it doing something that resets so that it falls back down. Now I want that same behavior, but slightly delayed so it goes up above and then comes down. I think part of the problem is it's not really. See, it's not reading that as a floor. And I think it's been too long since I've looked at this code too that I'm just like, what the frick? Ground detect. Let's look at this. Where are you, ground detect? I think that might be it. This might be it. The fact that the fall detect shape wasn't detecting that. Oh. Let's see. Maybe? Come on. You could do it. You could do it. Please, 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 please. No. Oh. Wait a tick. This might be too long. What she said. But not to me. Yes! That's it. And still, we go up here. That was it. Reset it. Let's make sure that it wasn't just a fluke. Down. Now I need to make an adjustment here. Sure, why not? Oh, what's this? The hell? Not letting me open up the thingy. Oh, are you kidding me? What the? Ranker face? There we go. Got other streams open, so that's why the tab is. Oh, wait a tick. Nice. Nice. Thank you. In here. No. Wait. No. Oh. Just slide in there. Slide. No. Okay. No. That's not it. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. And it. Fall. Oop. Okay. So that it doesn't look good, but it works. We can make it better. We have the technology. Because right now it just does this. Reset vertical velocity. Um, yeah, I'm gonna use the delta for gravity. Okay, so velocity y equals no. No, handle one way. This is going to. Shit. I might already have it. Let's see. As we turn on is falling. Nope. Um. Loading. Okay. My brain is frying here. Trying to figure this out. And also I gotta pee. But let's see. Okay, we got this is all in the physics. No, this is base movement. Base movement is called by back to you. And one way. Resetting one way. Okay, we'll do that. Just to check to see if it's counting. It's not. If it's counting that as a floor. It should. Okay. This is getting dirty, but LF. base movement, not. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get down there. Do. See, let's see, let's see. Okay, okay. We take away that. We took away the reset there, which was probably causing the issue, I hope. Find out. Come on, go up, go up. Stony, what the hell? Stony, you're flooding me. Stony. I'm not getting any previews there. You want to just send them to me in Discord? Because that's gonna be what's gonna. Does beast movement have? There. Ooh, I do like me some mushrooms. Oh, maybe I'll order some. Damn it! We're getting the one way. I don't know, but I do know that I need to go to the bathroom, and I'm coming up on 3 hours, which is a lot for me lately. I might be back this afternoon. to play some games. If anybody wants to join in, I picked up Peak, but I have yet to play it because I'm looking for people to play Peak with. But yeah, I am hungry now. Damn it, Stony. I'm gonna order some Chinese. I think I'm gonna order the Chinese. The Chinese food is so good. So yeah, it's kind of a short stream, but I'm still bringing myself back into it. I'm gonna do some research and see. I want to get a better state machine. So maybe we'll do a refactor like from page 1 rewrite. But I got a P too. So you know what? Who should we raid to? Why not? I never go over to iHeart. I think I raided Big Gamey recently. I'll probably end up there, honestly, but trying to expose or expand a little bit. Let's see what do we got going on here? Right, folks. So thanks for everything. If anybody wants to play some Peak later, look me up on Discord. If I think I'm gonna set a certain number of subs. If I get a certain number of subs, then I'll reopen a Discord. But you know, nobody was using it before, so what was the point? Okay, so thanks everybody for hanging out. Thanks for the new follows. Appreciate you all. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll probably be back in a little while. Take care. Ta-ta. Oh, if you wanted a raid alert here. Doesn't work. My button, no worky. So never mind. All right, take care. Bye-bye.